Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, who was featured on the first cover of Rolling Stone magazine in 1967? We'll now give you a list of the option, and here is a list of the option. The very first option is John Lennon, the second option is Bob Dylan, the third option is Jimi Hendrix, and the very last option is Elvis Presley. And you know what? The correct answer for that question would be, the correct answer for the question is John Lennon. And here is a short explanation about the answer. The correct answer is John Lennon. Among the options provided, John Lennon is the iconic musician who was featured on the first cover of Rolling Stone magazine in 1967. While Bob Dylan, Jimi Hendrix, and Elvis Presley are all legendary figures in the music industry, none of them were featured on the inaugural cover of Rolling Stone magazine. John Lennon, as a member of the Beatles and a significant cultural figure of his time, was chosen for the honor of gracing the first cover of this influential music and pop culture magazine. Therefore, John Lennon is the only correct option, as the individual who appeared on the first cover of Rolling Stone magazine in 1967. So that is the correct answer for the question, John Lennon. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.